Guys, guess what? Dumating na Triton 5. Ano? So try natin yung Triton 5. Try natin ipang firefight ngayon. Coming in hot.
Di ba may pink? Orange, blue, purple, pink.
Sorry.
Give it to my forehand.
Okay. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Is it strong?
Oh. Parang nandito ka agad sa ano ko, sa katawan ko.
Mas na nasa bakan ko.
Walang joke to, ah.
Sabi niya.
Walang joke to. Wah! Come on!
Oh, nice shot.
Magaling lang talaga ako, guys.
Hindi ko pa nilalakasan. Baka matamaan siya. Hindi pa siya naka-kitchen blockers.
Kaya nga magsusuot na ako. Magaling sa Triton 5. Pwede ka tamaan. No!
In. Can't go wrong.
Ang bilis.
Speed up. Pa-speed up.
Sir, ang bilis ng ano. Nadagdagan ng 10% yung bilis mo.
Takot yarn.
Takot ako, ilang beses mo akong tinatamaan palagi eh. Avatar pa gamit mo nun. Aray.
It was in, so in.
Bilis.
Here. Here.
Nice.
It's good. I think we're all playing with Triton 5s in MLP. Triton 5, baby!
Okay, kailangan ko na magpalit. Nalulugi na ako sa firefight. Ang ganda. I mean, ang lakas ng dating sa akin. Paggamit.
Whatever you think.
My turn. Ayaw na niya gamitin yung Triton 5.
That's too good. Hello. Avatar, you
Okay,
mean?
last 2 minutes. Check nyo yung difference, ah. Ano ba yan?
Hindi ka lang pala magaling. Oh my God.
Wow, come on. Wow. Speed up mo ako, isa pa. Nice.
Pabilis lang ako.
Mabilis lang siya.
No, but like, there's less effort for me to counter with the Triton 5.
Yeah. Na-feel ko nga eh, parang ang talsik niya. Grabe.
Sorry.
Pag mukhain mo ko magaling.
Ha?
Mukhain mo ko magaling.
Wala, nagde-defend na ako eh. I can't keep firefighting.
Nice. Lakas. Wow. Yung feel mo ba parang kakapalo mo lang babalik na agad sa'yo?
Oo.
nga. Diba?
And it goes down.
Ha?
It goes down. When I spin it, it goes down.
Down or dito ka agad sa may body mo. Ganda.
It's good.
Try it.
Ay, yung kay Bea, ito?
Must try.
My feet. Ken!
Nakakabahan si Sarah Jane.
Ay, kilala ko pala lahat ng mga maglalaro. Mamaya.
Kita mo yun?
He has no feel. He's just guessing.
Oh yeah. Kita mo yun?
Ah! Ian, stop picking up the ball with the paddle. Stop picking up the ball with the paddle.
Ako pa sa'yo, lagyan mo na lang ng ano.
I am gonna. It's there in the house.
Okay pala to ah. Natatakot mo. Uy! Out?
Nope.
Left. Wala!
Okay.
Sobrang puppy.
Sobrang puppy. Pag hindi mo i-spin,
Oo.
it's gonna tell like.
Ay, naku. Kunin mo! In yun na!
So good. I was.
Kamusta yung feel?
It just feels like it holds the ball.
Yung dwell time niya.
Yeah, parang ang grabe yung dwell
Parang
time.
pumapasok sa loob yung ball.
Yeah.
So you're like holding it.
Yes. So like when I'm dinking, it's not poppy. Na ano ko siya, na control ko siya. And then when I hit it, it's like it launches.
Okay, tapos bumababa yung bola mo.
Yeah. So sobrang. Usually when I hit that ball, it goes long. Ito, it just drips. It just drips. It's
Feel ko
so
din
good.
iba yung ano, iba yung dating ng bola mo.
So good.
Tapos biglang bumababa.
Ang galing.
Tapos parang gumaganon midway yung bola niya. Surface. Sheesh!